everyone, it's Nia here with PHembiotics, and thank you so much for tuning in today. I just want to say formally thank you to everyone who attended our launch event last weekend. It was awesome. There were a lot of sales. There were definitely a lot of people that were happy with the products that they received. We've been getting some great feedback so far, so keep it coming, guys. Review us online. Please go back to our website and write your reviews. We really appreciate them. And our tea has gotten sold out, of course. We'll be back in stock very soon. So today on Topic Tuesday, we're going to just talk about antibiotics and antifungals and how PHembiotics Vaginal Health Support can help you. So as you may or may not know, I am a labor nurse, a registered nurse, and I'm a healthcare professional. So therefore, my belief is that modern medicine is created and it's been a wonderful thing. And antibiotics and antifungals have been some of the best creations that the medical field has brought forth. And so if you are feeling symptoms of a UTI, yeast infection, or bacterial vaginosis, I encourage you to please go and see your provider, whether that be a nurse practitioner, OBGYN, a general practitioner, whoever it is. Reach out to them. Allow them to evaluate what you're experiencing then. And then if they decide that that is what you have, a UTI, yeast, or bacterial vaginosis, they will write you a prescription for an antifungal or an antibiotic agent. So that being said, we're going to talk a little bit about what those things do and how our vaginal health support works in conjunction with antibiotics and antifungals. So antibiotics kill the good and the bad bacteria. And when you're talking about vaginal health, that for us serves as a problem. Same thing like yeast. It kills the yeast as well, the bad yeast, and it just destroys your vaginal flora. And so you're basically starting on a blank slate. So you may not be experiencing the vaginal health issue anymore. However, you also don't have the good bacteria to protect your vagina. And so what our vaginal health support does is it seeks to replenish the good bacteria and then help by eradicating the bad bacteria by featuring some key vitamins that are made to help lower the pH in the body and also to break down what you have called a biofilm, which is where bacteria thrive and what they live on, so that you don't develop those infections again. And so like I said, you're going to want to get treated, but at the same time that you're taking those antibiotics or antifungals, take the vaginal health support with it. Because while you're killing the bad bacteria and eradicating the vaginal infection, you're building the good bacteria with the vaginal health support while also supplementing with the vitamins that are in the vaginal health support to keep the pH of the vagina low and the pH of the urine low so that you don't develop UTIs or bacterial vaginosis or yeast infections, as well as taking the vitamin D, which is going to break down those bacterial biofilms, which makes an environment that's inhospitable for the bacteria to live, so the bad bacteria. And so after you have finished your course of antibiotics, which a plug for this is you definitely want to finish the entire course, because if you don't, you may develop resistant bacteria, which makes it even harder for you to treat your vaginal infection if you were to get one again. So make sure that you complete the full course of the antibiotic or antifungal as directed on the prescription. So then after you have completed that full course, you're going to want to continue taking the vaginal health support once a day in order to maintain the good bacteria that's in your vagina, in your gut, and also keeping that pH low and keeping that bacterial biofilm away. So that is how our vaginal health support works to help you keep away those nasty infections that really get on everyone's nerves. I know they're very irritating. And so if you have any questions, please feel free to comment on this video, like, share, whatever you feel. You can always hit us up in our email account at admin@pHembiotic.com if you have personal questions. We love DMs, private messaging. We're open to all of that. So check out our website, read up a little bit more about our vaginal health support. All the answers are in the FAQs and on the page that the vaginal health support is featured on. And feel free to try it for a month and review us on our website and let us know what you think. Thank you and have a great day.